This is our inner sheet for the 3-person tents. Easy to attach with this Velcro pad. So I'm going to do the middle Velcro pads first and then take it to the corner one. So middle first, take it to one end, take it to the other end, take it to the middle again on another side, and pad it out. The inner sheet's really useful if you want to just protect your floor from your pets or mud or something like that. But what we've designed it for is when you're using your sky pad or air mattresses, you can just fit those in under the inner sheets. I'm just going to show one, but you can put 3 in under here. And then when you're sleeping at night, your air mattress is not going to flip out from underneath you, and it stops any of that movement. So it's always firmly underneath your body, keeping you warm from any cold air coming underneath the tent.